Pigeon 14. It's still in Alderney. It's in Port Tudor. It's in Roebuck RD. So, if you go to Paint Spray, no, if you go to Weapons in Alderney, you go to Paint Spray. Then if you go around here, you have to go around it, and you should see the Ecola building, and it's down by a tree, the second tree. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and shoot it, just like we do with every other pigeon like this. Now 163. So thanks for watching. Comment, like, rate, subscribe.